Hi, it's Kaze. I used incoco nail polish strips on my natural nails. I did that in this video. It's been a week now. I usually change my nail art once a week, so I'm gonna remove incoco today. I'm gonna use 5 different nail polish remover to compare. This is incoco nail polish remover. It's got sponge soaked in nail polish remover in it, and you put your finger in it. This is Paradu sponge remover, available at 7-Elevens. These two are very useful when you want to do just 1 or 2 nails. This is from Muji. It's oil-based, so your skin doesn't get dry much. This is acetone-free nail polish remover from Daiso. I usually use it to make transfer nails. I use this one regularly. I get it from CanDo or Seria. Yes, it's gel nail remover, but I use it for nail lacquer. Your skin might get irritated because of acetone, but I usually do oil care after nail polish remover, so no problem. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start with my go-to remover, gel nail remover. I usually put it in the pump dispenser. I'm gonna soak a cotton pad with plenty of remover and cover the finger with a silicone cap from Daiso. I press it on my nail before putting a silicone cap. I usually leave it for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna do the middle finger with incoco remover. You need to push it down to open. It smells kind of sweet and nice. The sponge is super soft and fluffy. It's full of remover in it, so you shouldn't tilt the container like this actually. I used it a few times and I spilled a little remover before, so I can tilt it a bit. I did it for about 20 seconds and let's see. The incoco I used has got so many glitters in it, so it's kind of hard to remove it. After another 25 seconds, not bad at all. I guess I need just a little more rotating. After 25 seconds, maybe one more time. After another 8 seconds, done. I'm gonna do the ring finger with Paradu sponge remover. It's difficult to explain the structure in this container. You're supposed to press the pad of your finger on the plastic wall and nail on the sponge. As I rotate it, my nail slides and misses the sponge. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly or not. Yeah, glitters are hard to remove. I feel like Paradu sponge is harder and more coarse than incoco sponge, so it takes more glitters than incoco remover. Oh, okay, I'll give it one more time. It looks like some freshly ground coarse black pepper between teeth, but I can say it's done. Next up, remover from Muji. It has a pleasant orange scent. I'm soaking a cotton pad in it and putting a silicone cap on it. I'm not sure if I need a silicone cap for Muji remover though. Now I'm gonna have a look at the gel remover. Oh, nice! What's this jelly-like thing? The nail art came out pretty well on this. Oh, the jelly got on my thumb. Wow, it's hilarious! Look at this. It looks like... Never mind. I'm scrubbing it pretty hard. Probably it's not very good for my skin or nail. I often do it anyways. I didn't get any black pepper this time, haha. Now let's take a look at Muji remover. Okay, just the yellow pigment came off. I scrubbed it pretty hard, but it looks hopeless. I tried putting the silicone cap back on. After 5 minutes, the glitters are still on the nail. I scrubbed it pretty hard for a good 40 seconds. It looks like it's going well. Okay, done. I really like Muji remover because it smells nice, but my hands and table get pretty messy. Do I use too much remover? I'm gonna use acetone-free remover from Daiso. This one smells nice too. I used it to remove nail lacquer before, but I don't think it worked very well. Let's see how it goes today. I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes like this. Okay, after 5 minutes, how is it? Oh, even the pigment is still on the nail. I try to clean it for a good 90 seconds. When I use gel nail remover like this, nail lacquer on other nails start to come off, but other nails look intact, unfortunately. I love this remover because it's so useful when I make transfer nails, so I don't want to say anything bad about it. Come on, you can do it, Daiso remover. After 5 minutes, I do see some improvement, but not enough. It's supposed to be gentle on your skin, so it's gentle on nail lacquer too, I suppose. I'll be really sad if this remover gets discontinued, so I have to find something good about it. I decided to use incoco remover after all. One session is not enough for this heavy glitter nail. I usually use paper towel and ethanol to clean this many glitters. I think this will do. Yes, nicely done. I once heard that cake remover is really good, but I'm happy with the gel remover, so I didn't get around to getting cake remover. I really hope that Daiso will continue selling the acetone-free nail polish remover. I don't think anyone from Daiso is watching this video anyways. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.